Give your subscribers a personalized experience with our platform inbox. In this video, we'll go over the inbox and everything you can do with it. The inbox allows you to easily view your subscribers' replies to your messages and to chat back and forth with your subscribers. The Conversations column on the left allows you to view conversations with subscribers who have replied to your messages. The most recent reply will appear at the top, and any unread conversations will appear in bold font. The elements at the top of the left column include the following. The search bar in the left column will allow you to search through your conversations. The compose message icon will allow you to start a new conversation. Selecting the export icon will export the replies your subscribers have sent into a spreadsheet. The mark all as read icon will mark all conversations as read. The settings icon will take you to your message reply page. The filter icon will allow you to filter your conversations according to different groups or segments you've created on your account. Directly above the list of conversations, you'll see tabs labeled All and Archived. If you have more than one user on your account, you'll also see tabs labeled Mine and Unassigned. We'll talk more about archiving and assigning conversations later. The All tab will show you all conversations, except conversations that have been marked as archived. The Mine tab will show you all conversations assigned to your user profile. Note, if your account has no user setup, this tab will not appear. The Unassigned tab will show you all conversations that have not been assigned to any user profile. This tab will also not appear if you have no user setup. The Archived tab will show you all conversations that have been marked as archived. Now let's talk a little about viewing, replying, assigning, and archiving a conversation. The larger display on the right will show the message thread of the selected conversation between you and your subscriber. You'll be able to see the messages you've sent them from here, as well as the replies they've sent in. You can also type a response back in the message box below. Other features of the display include 1. Assigning the conversation to a user profile by selecting the Assign Conversation button at the top of the conversation if your account has different user profiles. 2. Unsubscribing the selected subscriber from your account by selecting the Unsubscribe icon at the top of the conversation. 3. Archiving the conversation by selecting the Archive icon. This will remove the conversation from the All tab into the Archived tab. 4. Exporting a conversation by clicking the Export Conversation button. 5. Viewing message type or status of a specific message by clicking on the message bubble. 6. Including an image, emoji, data variable, or pre-existing template when typing a message back. 7. Having the option to send your message as SMS, regular text, or MMS, multimedia message, which allows up to 1,550 characters. Lastly, the subscriber info hyperlink will show you what information you have on record for the selected subscriber. Now you know all the ins and outs of the messaging inbox. Get started with one-on-one subscriber conversations today.